and direct. This is Prince Cinema Bridge, where we are having the official commissioning of this bridge from the stable of Honorable TV, where we are bringing you so many different events as it's unfolding. Now, we have the governor here today. We have the deputy governor and the person of Dr. Kadri Obafemi Hamzat, and we still have the leader of the old APC, that is the person of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and the leader of the house in the house in Lagos State, that is the person of Honorable Mudashiru Obasa. They are all here today to witness the official unveiling or official commissioning of the bridge flyover at Prince Cinema. You know, we have this bridge down from Okwaba, that is from Abule Egba down to Prince Cinema. Likewise, from the main central, the junction at the back here, you see how it goes down to where they call Afan Laziz. Then to your right is Oba Ogunji Road. Then rightly at my back here, that is the center of the bridge, where we are having people that want to at least apply whatever on the flyover bridge. As you can see, we can see the people behind me trying to make their way on top of the bridge. So here at Honorable TV, you are seeing it live as it is happening. I see me myself, Toba Lakende, in the building. Enjoy today's event. Bye for now.
Today is going to be the official commissioning of this very road here today, and Agege local government, where we have the Governor Sanwo-Olu, who is to be here today to have this very road project commission. As ever, it has been started for some months back now. So we get to know who and who are on ground for this commissioning.
To Yano Paja, to Dokwemu, and all of the artists, and even going towards Ogun State, that this flyover will become a major connecting point that will reduce your travel time and that will create a positive economic benefit to your social life. This road, whilst it was being constructed, provided employment for over 350 engineers. It provided employment for thousands of artisans. It provided employment for a high number of unskilled laborers. It provided a daily sustenance for food vendors, for iron benders, for people that are selling pure water all throughout the construction of this road. And you can see the increase and human benefit that this project has brought to the citizens of this neighborhood. And so we'll go back and we'll see how all of the infrastructure from Ojoju Baga to widen the roads and to begin to bring relief from Lagos-Ibadan Express Road, such that you can reach and hit Fagba and you can reach Agege in less than 15 minutes, is to widen that entire network of road and bring about positive development to this entire neighborhood. I cannot but thank our collaborators in this journey. Messrs. High Tech, I want to thank in particular Ivan Dekri. I want to thank Danny. I want to thank Eklof, who I'm sure you've been here day and night. I want to thank Messrs. Dan Henderson for delivering this project on time and on budget. Thank you very much. I want to thank all of my people in Agege. I want to say that this project is about you and it's for you. all our citizens from Pen Cinema here to Iju Ifako, to Ogba, to Dokpemu, to Ikeja, to Abule Eba. This project is for you, it's about you, and it is for your economic development and social improvement. It's to thank each and every one of you here today. The real people of Agege, the ordinary Lagosians, that food seller, that corn seller, that bolly seller, that pure water seller, who we're doing this for, who does not necessarily have to know us, who we do not necessarily know, but we know in our heart that what we're about is to improve the quality of life for you, is to build that school for your children, is to provide that hospital for yourselves and for your family, is to create that road that will ensure that you are able to move from one part of the state to another, is to create that enabling environment where your life will be secure and safe, and will ensure that we will leave you better than we have met you. To you people of Lagos, especially in Agege environs, we're indeed happy for the partnership you've started with this government and for believing in us thus far. I want to say to you that we're indeed humble and will continue to serve you and serve you well. And so, to thank you, to thank the management and the staff of Ministry of Works and Infrastructure, to thank High Tech and everybody that has been part of this historic event today. God bless you. God bless Lagos State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Ọlọ́lá gómìnà Babájídé Oníkó.
Yeah, live and direct, as we can see from the stable of Honorable TV. We are now at the venue where they're having the official commissioning of the Prince Cinema Bridge today. So we have people here in the house.
téèyàn bá mọ bí bí ṣe wà tẹ́lẹ̀ á rí pé ìyàtọ̀ tuntun tó débẹ̀ sí ọlọ́run àtúbọ̀ máa fún wọn. àwọn tó máa lo ọ̀nà yìí kọ́ ń jọ nítorí tọ́lọ́run wọ́n bá wa mẹ́tẹ́ẹ̀nì ẹ̀ dáadáa kọ́ má bàjẹ́ àwọn kan máa ń gbẹ́ títì kọ́ má gẹ́ títì kọ́ má dalẹ̀ sẹ́gbẹ́ títì. èmi kan bá olúwa ṣẹ́gun ọmọ onígbòǹgbò àrùsọ̀ ọmọ onígbòǹgbò kìlọ̀.
Swagger for president. President is swagger. APC next level.
So kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ìbàlẹ̀ ni?
Ayọ̀ ni o.
Ayọ̀ ńlá.
New Pen Cinema. We have arrived.
So what is actually happening here today at Pen Cinema?
Everything is so joyous. We are living a good life. We appreciate our governor, our president, and our incoming president.
Giving us the opportunity.
We are all present here. We appreciate Asiwaju for his presence today.
Okay, so what is the word of
2023 is sure for Asiwaju.
Sure one.
So
No shaking.
in the word of advice yìí fún àwọn tó ń public fún báyìí?
Whatever maintain they should maintain it. They shouldn't spoil it everywhere. They should make it lively for us to have another new life at Lagos in general. APC next level. Sanwo-Olu, Asiwaju, APC.
All over.
Yeah, this is the beach. This is the way down from Abule Egba to Oja Oba, down to Abattoir, then down to Nitel, then to Pen Cinema here, as you can see. So this is how far the bridge work has gone so far here, linking to the main bridge hub here.
So here at Honorable TV. You are seeing it live as it is happening. I still me myself, Tobola Kehinde in the building. Bye for now.